Eliminating toxins from the body through natural foods is a powerful way to support long-term health. The body is constantly exposed to external and internal elements that produce toxins, including pollution, chemicals in processed foods, medications, and even stress. Although the liver, kidneys, and digestive system work daily to detoxify the body, supporting these organs with the right plant-based foods can make a substantial difference. Natural foods have a unique ability to assist the body in flushing out harmful substances, renewing energy, and maintaining overall cellular health. Many people underestimate how much their diet affects the accumulation and elimination of toxins. Eating a diet rich in whole, unprocessed, and plant-based ingredients provides nutrients that assist in liver function, promote healthy digestion, and boost immunity. For example, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and arugula are high in chlorophyll, which binds to heavy metals and helps remove them from the body. Similarly, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds like sulforaphane that enhance liver detoxification pathways. Hydration is another critical element. Drinking enough water helps the kidneys filter waste and supports cellular hydration. But hydration goes beyond water. Natural foods high in water content, such as cucumber, watermelon, and celery, contribute to this process while also providing vitamins and antioxidants. These antioxidants, like vitamin C and flavonoids, neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, a condition linked to toxin overload and inflammation. Fermented foods also play an important role in detoxification. They help restore gut flora balance, supporting a healthy microbiome that aids digestion and toxin elimination. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and kombucha introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut, enhancing intestinal health and promoting regular elimination of waste through the colon. This is crucial because when waste builds up in the colon, toxins can be reabsorbed into the bloodstream, creating a cycle of internal toxicity. In addition, natural fiber from fruits, vegetables, legumes, seeds, and whole grains is essential. Fiber acts like a sponge, absorbing waste and speeding up the transit of food through the digestive tract. This prevents constipation and keeps the bowels functioning efficiently. Psyllium husk, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent examples of plant-based foods that are rich in soluble and insoluble fibers, both of which aid in cleansing the body. Some foods work on a cellular level to support detoxification. Garlic, for instance, contains allicin, a compound that supports liver enzymes and boosts the immune system. Turmeric, known for its bright yellow color, contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and liver-supportive properties. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and citric acid, helps alkalize the body and stimulate bile production, a key function of the liver in processing toxins. The body's detoxification system relies on several vitamins and minerals, many of which come directly from natural foods. Magnesium, zinc, selenium, and B-complex vitamins are all vital for proper detox function. Nuts, seeds, legumes, and leafy greens are rich in these nutrients, making them valuable components of any detox-supportive plant-based diet. Exercise, while not a food, enhances the detoxification process by promoting circulation and encouraging sweating, one of the body's natural ways to eliminate toxins. However, without proper nutrition, the benefits of exercise can be limited. A diet high in processed foods and low in nutrients can hinder the body's ability to detoxify, regardless of physical activity levels. People of all ages can benefit from focusing on detoxification through natural foods. For young people, it establishes healthy habits early in life. For adults, it supports energy levels, mental clarity, and resistance to environmental stressors. For older adults, it helps reduce the burden on aging organs and supports long-term vitality. It's also important to minimize the intake of foods that increase the toxic load. Processed foods, artificial additives, refined sugars, and excess animal fats can contribute to inflammation, hormonal disruption, and liver stress. Transitioning to a plant-based eating pattern focused on whole, natural foods can gradually reduce the internal toxic burden. Every meal is an opportunity to support the body's natural detox mechanisms. Starting the day with warm lemon water can gently stimulate the digestive system. Adding greens to every meal ensures a steady intake of detoxifying nutrients. Including herbs like parsley and cilantro supports kidney and liver function. Eating antioxidant-rich berries can reduce oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. The transition to a detox-supportive diet doesn't need to be extreme. Simple, consistent changes are the most sustainable. Swapping sugary drinks for herbal teas or infused water, replacing processed snacks with fruit or raw nuts, and preparing meals with fresh, organic ingredients can make a big difference over time. These changes are especially impactful when combined with adequate sleep, stress management, and regular physical activity. Environmental toxins are everywhere, from pesticides in food to chemicals in cleaning products. While it's impossible to avoid all of them, choosing organic produce when possible can reduce exposure to synthetic chemicals. Washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly, storing food in glass instead of plastic, and avoiding excessive use of personal care products with artificial ingredients also helps lower the toxic load. The body's detox organs need time and nourishment to function optimally. By choosing plant-based, nutrient-dense foods, it's possible to create an internal environment that supports health and longevity. This is not about following a short-term cleanse or extreme fast, but rather about adopting a lifestyle centered on natural nourishment and internal balance. Over time, many people report clearer skin, better digestion, improved mood, and increased energy levels after adopting a detox-supportive plant-based eating pattern. These results are not only physical, they reflect the deep connection between food, cellular function, and well-being. As toxins leave the body, organs can work more efficiently, and systems can regain harmony. This approach is particularly valuable in modern life, where fast food, sedentary behavior, and chronic stress are common. Instead of relying on pills or temporary detox products, using natural foods to support the body's innate detox systems is sustainable and effective. It's a gentle but powerful method that aligns with the body's rhythms and capacities. Listening to the body is an essential part of this journey. Symptoms like bloating, fatigue, brain fog, and joint stiffness can signal that the body is overwhelmed with toxins. These symptoms often improve when the diet becomes richer in natural, cleansing foods. Paying attention to how different foods affect the body helps personalize the detox process. Different cultures have long understood the power of natural detoxification. Traditional diets around the world include foods and herbs known for their cleansing effects, from miso soup in Japan to dandelion tea in Europe and tamarind in Latin America. Returning to these time-tested traditions through a modern plant-based lens can reconnect individuals with a more intuitive and holistic approach to health. While the process of detoxification through food is not instant, it is profound. Over weeks and months, the cumulative effect of choosing real, whole, natural foods adds up. Internal systems become more resilient, and the body adapts to a cleaner, more vibrant state. This is true at any age and can significantly improve quality of life. Natural detoxification is not about perfection. It's about progress and awareness. Each step toward a more plant-based, toxin-reducing diet is a step toward improved well-being. As the body is nourished with the right foods, it can begin to repair, renew, and thrive. When the body is free of excessive toxins, energy flows better, the mind feels clearer, and emotions become more balanced. Natural foods become tools for healing, and each meal becomes an act of self-care and health empowerment. The impact is long-term, affecting not only the body but also the quality of life and the ability to age with strength and grace. Supporting detoxification through plant-based and natural foods is a lifelong strategy that evolves with age, habits, and lifestyle changes. As the body changes over time, so do its needs and responses to various nutrients and toxins. What remains constant is the body's reliance on whole foods to maintain balance, support organ function, and reduce toxic accumulation. This process is not limited to internal organs but extends to every system, including the skin, lungs, lymphatic system, and even the brain. Skin health is often a visible reflection of internal detoxification. When the liver or digestive system is overburdened with toxins, the skin may show signs such as acne, dullness, or rashes. Consuming water-rich fruits like oranges, strawberries, and pineapple supplies vitamin C and antioxidants, which help regenerate skin tissue and protect against environmental toxins. Beta-carotene from carrots and sweet potatoes is converted into vitamin A, which supports skin repair and resilience. The lungs, often overlooked in detox discussions, benefit from foods rich in flavonoids and anti-inflammatory compounds. Apples, onions, and green tea support lung health by reducing oxidative stress and improving respiratory efficiency. Consuming plant-based foods that are high in chlorophyll, such as spirulina, wheatgrass, and leafy greens, can help cleanse the lungs by neutralizing airborne toxins and promoting oxygen transport throughout the body. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in detoxification. It acts as the body's drainage system, removing waste, excess fluids, and toxins from tissues. Foods that support lymphatic flow include raw fruits like papaya, grapes, and melons, as well as hydrating vegetables like zucchini and radish. Movement also stimulates the lymphatic system, but without the support of natural foods, toxins may remain trapped in lymph nodes and tissues. Mental clarity and emotional balance are also affected by toxins. Heavy metals, artificial additives, and processed ingredients can impair neurotransmitter function, leading to fatigue, anxiety, or cognitive fog. A plant-based diet rich in omega-3s from flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds supports brain health and reduces inflammation. Leafy greens provide folate, which is essential for mood regulation and neurological function. Dark chocolate in its purest form, high in flavonoids and magnesium, may support cognitive detox and emotional resilience. The digestive tract is the foundation of detoxification, and keeping it healthy is essential for nutrient absorption and toxin elimination. Probiotic-rich foods like miso, tempeh, and fermented vegetables encourage a diverse gut microbiota, which is essential for breaking down waste products and supporting immunity. Prebiotic foods, including asparagus, leeks, and bananas, feed beneficial bacteria and maintain gut integrity. Elimination through the bowels is a key way the body expels toxins. Natural laxatives like prunes, figs, and aloe vera juice promote regularity without harming the body's natural rhythm. Unlike synthetic laxatives, which can lead to dependency, these foods provide fiber and enzymes that enhance digestion while gently encouraging waste removal. Regular bowel movements are a sign that the detox pathways are functioning effectively. The liver is central to detoxification, and protecting it is essential. Bitter greens such as dandelion, arugula, and mustard greens stimulate bile production, which helps emulsify fats and eliminate fat-soluble toxins. Artichokes and beets have compounds that regenerate liver cells and increase glutathione levels, a powerful antioxidant that the liver uses to neutralize harmful substances. Silymarin from milk thistle is another well-researched compound that supports liver repair and detox performance. Blood purification is another vital aspect of toxin removal. Foods like garlic, cilantro, and turmeric help filter the blood and remove heavy metals. Pomegranate juice, rich in antioxidants, helps maintain healthy blood vessels and improve circulation, ensuring that waste products are effectively transported to excretory organs. Chlorophyll-rich foods assist in removing environmental pollutants from the bloodstream. Even the kidneys, often overshadowed by the liver in detox discussions, are vital. These organs filter the blood, regulate electrolyte balance, and excrete waste through urine. Foods like watermelon, cucumber, and parsley act as natural diuretics, helping flush out excess sodium and toxins. Cranberries and blueberries prevent bacterial growth in the urinary tract and reduce kidney stress. To support daily detox, it's helpful to create routines that center around natural foods. Starting the morning with warm water and apple cider vinegar can stimulate digestion and support liver function. A mid-morning green smoothie with spinach, banana, flaxseed, and lemon provides hydration, fiber, and antioxidants. A lunch of quinoa, steamed vegetables, and chickpeas delivers protein and complex carbohydrates that keep energy stable and digestion efficient. For snacks, raw vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers are ideal. They are easy to digest and contain enzymes that assist with nutrient absorption. Herbal teas made from dandelion, nettle, or ginger soothe the stomach and stimulate the detox organs. Dinner could include a vegetable-based soup or a hearty plant-based bowl with lentils, roasted vegetables, and turmeric dressing. Fasting, although not suitable for everyone, can enhance detoxification when done correctly. Intermittent fasting allows the body to shift from digestion to repair and detox mode. During these fasting windows, the body may break down damaged cells, a process known as autophagy. However, fasting should always be supported by nutrient-rich foods before and after, ensuring that the body has the tools it needs to cleanse without stress. Sleep is another underestimated factor in detox. While we sleep, the brain removes metabolic waste through the glymphatic system, a network of channels that clears out toxins. Poor sleep hinders this system, leading to mental fatigue and buildup of neurotoxins. Consuming foods rich in magnesium, such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, can promote relaxation and deeper sleep, enhancing detoxification overnight. Detoxification is not a one-time event, but an ongoing relationship between the body and the environment. Making small, consistent choices in favor of natural foods ensures that the detox organs remain functional and strong. Avoiding unnecessary medications, limiting alcohol, and reducing stress all support this natural process. When stress hormones are high, the liver prioritizes hormone metabolism over toxin removal, leading to accumulation. For older adults, detoxification becomes even more important as metabolism slows and organs naturally age. Including anti-aging superfoods like blueberries, turmeric, and green leafy vegetables in daily meals can reduce cellular damage and support organ function. Maintaining hydration is also more critical with age, as the sense of thirst may decline, increasing the risk of toxin buildup. For young people, starting early with healthy detox habits prevents chronic disease later in life. Introducing children and teenagers to plant-based meals with variety and flavor sets a foundation for lifelong health. Simple meals with natural ingredients can become enjoyable with creativity, such as using herbs and spices to make dishes both nutritious and appealing. Education plays a role as well. Understanding the connection between what we eat and how we feel motivates people to make better food choices. Knowing that sugar, refined flour, and trans fats contribute to inflammation and toxicity creates awareness and empowerment. Replacing these with fruits, legumes, and seeds brings tangible improvements in energy and focus. Cooking at home is one of the best ways to ensure a detox-supportive diet. It allows for control over ingredients and reduces exposure to food additives and preservatives. Using fresh, seasonal produce maximizes nutrient density and supports local agriculture. Natural cooking methods like steaming, baking, or raw preparation preserve nutrients and prevent the formation of harmful compounds. Emotional detoxification also complements physical detox. Mindful eating, gratitude practices, and conscious breathing can reduce cortisol and improve digestion. Food should not only nourish the body but also bring calm and connection. Creating rituals around meals, such as sitting quietly before eating or sharing food with loved ones, enhances the detox experience. Cleansing the body with natural foods doesn't mean perfection or deprivation. It means choosing what aligns with health and longevity. It's about understanding that food is information that tells the body what to do, whether to heal, defend, or struggle. By choosing natural, plant-based foods, people of all ages can support the body's natural intelligence. Incorporating these principles into daily life turns detoxification into a lifestyle rather than a temporary fix. It becomes a cycle of nourishment, renewal, and self-respect. The body, in return, becomes more vibrant, clear, and capable of handling the challenges of modern life. This connection between food and vitality is timeless, powerful, and accessible to everyone. Even small shifts, like adding a handful of greens to a meal or choosing fruit over packaged snacks, send a message to the body that it is cared for. With time, these choices become habits, and those habits build resilience. This resilience is what carries individuals through illness, stress, and aging with grace and strength. Food is not only a source of fuel but a tool for transformation. When used wisely, it supports the body in removing what no longer serves it and making space for health. Detoxification through natural foods is both ancient and modern, simple and profound, and it belongs in every stage of life.